So alright, so this video is how to set the camshaft of Chevrolet Cruise point 4. Yes, the camshaft. This is how to set it. If you're about to set the timing, so you can see it here like this. This one is the exhaust and this is the inlet camshaft and exhaust camshaft. So here we go. If we're about to start and then set your timing, use timing chain for this GS. You can see this slot here, and you can see this one. You can see this one here, and then this one too is here. Yes, so this one, how we're about to set it, you place your camshaft, then this slot you have the big size. Let me show you properly and you can see it right here. So you have the big size and then the small size. This is a big, this is a small one, and then the down one is a bigger one, and then this one to have the small and then the bigger one. So if we want to set it, we let the small one come top, and then the here to the same thing as that. So let it come top. You set it. You make sure that you set it. You put it before you tight all these things, the boots. Yes. So you place it. Then you make sure that the slot, the small one, will come top, and then this one too will come to before you put your chain. Yes, before you put your chain. So if we want to set your Chevrolet Cruise camshafts and then the timing, you're supposed to place the camshaft where properly before you start. Otherwise, you don't get it right. So you're supposed to the small one, the small side. This is the small side is the top. You can see it here. This is it's supposed to come up, and then this one too is supposed to come up. That's the exhaust, including exhaust, and then the inlet camshaft. Yes, so this is how you set the camshaft for Chevrolet Cruise point 4. Yes, so you click on subscribe to my YouTube channel. There we go, follow me for more videos so you can see it here. Yes, thank you.